Hello, I'm Joel Frane, 39 years of age. I'm working as a captain waiter in Italian restaurant here at Riyadh, Saudi Arabia for 9 years since 2015 up to present. As a captain, I assist the guests with their table reservations and seating and ensure that all tables have adequate furnitures and utensils. I have also a working experience in a five-star hotel here at Saudi Arabia named Coral Plaza Al Hasa and Movenpick. While in the Philippines, I work also at Makati Shangri-La in Chinese restaurant and also in a banquet department. Working in this industry is so challenging because you need to face different kind of guests, different kind of people, and also you need to serve different kind of foods that you need to know. And also you will encounter different kinds of co-workers that you need to understand. This is what I experience working in this industry. That's all. Thank you.